This 2025 Renegade Vienna 25VRMC is a Class C RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Renegade is 25 feet 6 inches in length and 34 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front living area, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear bath. This 2025 Renegade Vienna 25VRMC is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.